Yo, welcome to another day. So, no wins today, no losses either. I'm just gonna decide to call it today because this is the swing low right here, and I'm not looking to short past that, nor am I interested to long this. So, market was looking pretty bearish overall. I was waiting for this 15-minute close right here before entering any shorts. I was mindful of this 15-minute order block, which I was very confident that it would hold. It did hold. I wanted to short this right here. I wanted to short this. My stop would have been there. My TP would have been here. Actually, to be more realistic, here. This is how the trade would have looked like. It looks like really good now. It didn't look good like on this price action specifically right here, but it looks good now. That said, here's what I was seeing. There's this, shift up, then this shift down. There's this new 15-minute candle, which could very much just tap the order block, the 15-minute order block, which I was mentioning before. So it made a lot of sense. This is the order block, the big order block right here. This is a tiny 5-minute repel gap, which I just decided to put my stop here. I think by the time I made the decision, yeah, the trade was like this because I put the stop above actually. But my first idea was this. Anyway, did that, saw this candle just opening and then going lower down here. And I was like, yeah, I mean, if it comes back after this line right here, I'm not looking to short that specifically. So I just took it off. And by the time we got here, I remember, wait, no, but this can just be the small tap of the 15-minute order block. My stop is still like safe, I would say, not at the high, but still safe, even if it goes to the top of the order block. So I should just short it. By the time like this happened, price was near my entry, and I was like, okay, let's do a 3-contract short. I did place the order. You can see like 267 was actually a bit high. So for a while I was debating either 2 or 3, but I just said, okay, fuck it, let's go with 3. And by the time I placed the order, price again never touched it again. We went lower, and let me just put it right here. And by the time that price was here, which was where I was marketing order from, I mean, there was just not enough risk to reward for me. This is a 1.2. And this is me actually being like conservative because I think this move happened quite fast. I think like it was at 1.1 at one point and then like negative risk to reward when I tried to market order in. So yeah, kind of missed that, and I said, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna wait again and see what I get. We get this move up. We invert this value gap. We're still respecting 1-minute structure. That's fine. We broke it, and now I'm thinking about this, right? I'm thinking about this to here. The thing is, my target was this one right here, not specifically these two down here because I was being very conservative. If you look, like we just look at how much we sold off since Tokyo session and then London again. So I was just being like very conservative with my targets. And I saw that and I was like, that's not really like probable in my opinion. That's not really like the highest probability trade that I can take. I mean, I'm ignoring my targets just for extra risk. Sure, we inverted all of this. My stop is here. It is safe, but I still didn't know that this candle would close down here. So I just decided to not take this one. I'm like, okay, maybe we go here, we do a pullback. We didn't get that. Maybe we go there, we'll get a pullback. We didn't get that. And then I was like, okay, this looks like there's a lot of momentum on this. So I was looking for a retrace up until here and then lower, but this 15-minute candle here opens again. And I was thinking, please just don't give me this close right here because this with the stop there, I wanted a 1.7, right? Even if I got the perfect fill right here, we got this level right here, which is the swing low, and I was really not interested. So I was just basically gambling that we would go a little bit lower to the 1.7. So yeah, we ended up just selling off straight away, and I just said, okay, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna call it today. I missed my shot here. Like this would have been like, even if I did, because here's the thing, even if I did this, that's a 1.5. Yes, like it's still like kind of okay, good risk reward. But I don't think I ever took a 1.5. Like 1.7s, I'm fine taking now. 1.8, 1.9, 2, like that's fine. But 1.9, and giving the fact, yeah, I was just not really comfortable doing that. Would have worked out this way. I mean, there was plenty of times where it did not work out when, I saw the candle expanding lower first and then higher, especially on the new 15-minute candle. A lot of the times it would just, take me out. Still missed it because I really wanted to enter that. Yeah. That said, missed the trades today. My targets are hit. Direction was correct. Execution was just a little bit sloppy. And then yeah, I just didn't see any more setups besides this one. This might just be also like a charting problem, right? Because I could have easily done this. This right here is a 1 minute candle close, which I am now marking on the wick. So on the swing lows, there's 1 minute candles that close before the wick. So this is a pretty high 1 minute wick. So I just marked that, and I could have easily just done that, right, and get the fill. So it might be just a charting problem. It's a skill issue because I would have definitely taken that if I had these two levels marked down. That said, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another trading day.